Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be demonstrating two color mixing ways to understand warm and cool primaries. In this first circle, I'm using warm primaries, that is Cadmium Red and Cadmium Yellow and Cobalt Blue. Do you know that all reds, yellows and blues are the same? Some feel warm and sunny, while others look cool and calm, and the simple differences changes everything in your color mixing. When I mix yellow with red, each combination gives a slightly different result. Now I'll take bit red and create a mid-tone orange. You will notice how warm and rich it looks. That's the beauty of warm primaries. Now let's mix red and blue. When we mix red and blue, we usually expect nice purple, but sometimes it doesn't appear as clean as it looks on the color wheel. That's because real color mixing depends on the pigments, not just theory. So don't worry if your mix doesn't look exactly the same, just keep practicing. Now I will mix blue and yellow to create a mid-tone green. See how the colors look deeper and warmer? Warm primary mixes are perfect for painting sunsets, skin tones and glowing light. Let's add some white now. When we mix white with any color, it creates a tints, softer, lighter versions. But here's an important tip, always clean your brush properly before picking up white, otherwise your colors can get muddy. That's why I make sure to wash my brush well before using white again. As I mix white into the color, it turns into a beautiful soft tone, perfect for painting clouds, mist, or light transitions. This kind of gradient blending helps you gain better control over tone and value. If you want to paint sunlight or dreamy skies, use the same technique, blend slowly from red into white. The gradient you will get will later help you create warm, glowing skies. So keep practicing, that's the best way to truly understand how colors behave. In the second circle, I am exploring cool primaries, Crimson Lake, Lemon Yellow and Phthalo Blue. You will notice right away these colors look clearer and sharper, almost like they carry a hint of freshness. Let's start by mixing yellow with red. Now I will add touch of red into lemon yellow to create a mid-tone orange. Unlike the rich golden orange from warm colors, this one looks lighter and slightly pinkish, almost coral-like. Next, let's try red with blue. We expect a purple again, but this time it's a cool violet, leaning toward magenta. The mix feels crisp and luminous because both pigments, crimson and phthalo, have cool undertones. That's why cool primaries often create brighter, clearer secondaries. Now I will mix with blue and yellow to get vibrant green. See how fresh and lively it looks, like spring leaves or ocean tones. Cool primaries naturally give that bright, energetic look we often see in nature. Let's add bit of white now. When I mix white into these shades, the colors become soft, airy and full of light. But always remember to wash your brush properly before using white, otherwise even cool mixes can lose their brightness and turn muddy. As I blend in white, you can see beautiful pastel tones appear, perfect for painting misty skies, reflections, or delicate highlights. Cool colors bring a feeling of calm, freshness, and space to your artwork. So, whenever you want to paint peaceful or airy scenes, this is a palette to choose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and join my free 7-day acrylic painting course where I'll guide you step by step to build your color confidence and paint with joy.